console has gone back into the car. All the switches and lights are wired up. So it's in there, and car is waiting to go into upholstery in the next week or so. Wiring is going to be finalized, documented, all that good stuff. A lot of the instrumentation wiring will be done. Won't be finished, but it'll be started. Nice OEM black deluxe carpeting will be put in, nothing special. Previous video I showed the rendition, 3D rendition of the fake back seat will go in, covering the stereo and the electronics box on the driver's side, and then the fake back seat upright will house the speakers. Cover up all the plumbing for the fire suppression system. Auxiliary oil cooler, auxiliary transmission cooler, remote oil filter, custom lower grills will cover the auxiliary coolers. The opening's been widened to allow for more cooling. We're going to take OEM replacement upper grills, which go here, cut them down and have them fit the lower grill areas. Dome light wiring harness. Everything will be functional OEM. Parking brake button will be functional, controlling the electronic brake in the system. And traction control will work with the ECM. And the mode select is, we may wire it to select one of two tuning modes, race gas and regular gas. Don't know if that's possible yet. So when it comes from upholstery, it's going to be quite different looking. Here's the OEM style paint job for the third brake light. Looks very professional. And of course the shark fin antenna. Not that I'll be playing much AM/FM through it.